macindano ma Icoka gitaru-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro ni marathi nambere na kunyitithio kuhitahitanira kiharo-ini kia Rupaz Fitness Center mwena wa Eldoret. Ni macindano matanyitwo kureha athaki matiganite kunatiro makoro magishindanira kiamnjika kia mwigana wa shiringi milioni 2.5.
We are hopeful to have over 300 participants for our edition this year. We have also added in on the award prize money. We will be giving a cumulative amount of 2.65 million across the 14 categories of bodybuilding and physics. We have also added in more categories. We have the special category to simply capture or rather award or appreciate individuals with different disabilities in the field. We also included the masters category that looks into appreciating individuals who've been in the field of. We also have the anti-doping agency this year just to make sure that we have clean competition, and actually we have a campaign dubbed Mkojo Safi, Hela Safi.
Last year I finished as a second runners-up on the heavyweight category. This year I'm hopeful that I'm going to perform better because looking at myself, I've done a lot of improvements and I'm rooting for a higher position than what I did last year.
Why are we sponsoring this event? Our specialty is in orthopedics and trauma. So we are coming in to train in terms of health and in terms of medication. We wish the participants and everyone who is incorporating the event a very fruitful event.
Tugithiru nambere ni atena kia muthaki wa Mbitika cia golf no riwikaine ta Karo